Hi everyone, if Microsoft Edge feels slow, websites are not loading properly, or you're simply trying to free up some browsing data, clearing the cache can often help. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to clear the cache in Microsoft Edge. So let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows computer. Wait until the browser is fully loaded before continuing. Now, click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the browser. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Inside Settings, click Privacy, Search, and Services from the menu on the left. Then scroll down until you find the Clear Browsing Data section. Next, click Choose what to clear. A new window will open. At the top, select the time range you want. If you'd like to remove all cached files, choose All Time. Now, make sure the box next to Cached Images and Files is checked. You can leave the other options selected or uncheck them, depending on what you want to remove. Once you're ready, click Clear Now. Microsoft Edge will clear the cached files in just a few moments. You may notice that some websites take a little longer to load the first time afterward because fresh files are being downloaded. And that's how you clear the cache in Microsoft Edge. Yeah, it's a quick maintenance step that can solve loading issues and improve browser performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more easy technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.